Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively during your period. First, pay attention to your body's natural rhythms. You'll likely notice shifts in energy and focus. Plan your most challenging study sessions for when you feel most alert, perhaps in the morning or early afternoon. This strategic approach helps maximize your productivity and makes the most of your valuable study time. Next, optimize your study techniques. Instead of long, intense sessions, try breaking your study time into shorter, focused blocks, perhaps 25 minutes with a 5-minute break. Use methods like flashcards or self-quizzing to actively retrieve information. This active engagement, combined with regular short breaks, significantly improves retention and helps maintain concentration throughout your study period. Prioritizing self-care is crucial. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, ideally 7 to 9 hours, and eating balanced meals to fuel your brain. Set up a comfortable, quiet study space free from distractions. Simple things like good lighting and a supportive chair can make a big difference. Remember to drink plenty of water to stay hydrated and maintain optimal cognitive function. Finally, be flexible with your plan. If you're experiencing discomfort or low energy, don't push yourself too hard. It's okay to adjust your schedule or take a longer break. Regularly review material to solidify your understanding, even if it's just for 10 minutes. Celebrate your small victories and acknowledge your efforts. This positive reinforcement keeps you motivated and on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.